we are checking out an audio interface kit, custom handmade by yours truly. So what this does is this allows you to upgrade the factory amp in no time at all. If you're looking to replace the factory amp with a better aftermarket amplifier or a DSP amp combo to open up a whole new world of audio listening experience and adjustability, this is the kit you want. How this works is this simply plugs in place of the factory amp. So you disconnect the factory amp and plug in these connections here. And then with that, you get all of the input and output connections that you need to your new amp. Gray and black twisted pairs. This is all the built-in speaker wiring. So you're not running speaker wiring across the car at all. The RCA plugs themselves are copper plugs with your nickel plating here and your gold plating here, your remote turn-on wire, and of course, everything is fully labeled, as you can see, so you know exactly what lines connect to what speakers in the car and your amplifier. So whether you're a do-it-yourselfer or an audio shop working on an Infinity, this is the way to go.